Hey friends, today we're checking out the ID75 IP camera by APEMAN, and this is a 1080p wireless camera, works with Alexa. Alright, some of the things, it's got two-way audio, wide angle, app control, motion detection, 360 panorama. It runs on 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. It's got night vision. And that's some of the specs this thing has. All right, you could grab this off of Amazon for about $45, and I'll leave a link in the description below. Okay, let's unbox this thing and show what is in the box. All right. First off, on the top here, it has a little share your shopping experience on Amazon card. So a little card there, and it has hello, and this little card here. Thank you for choosing APEMAN's products. Our team has been committed to provide high quality products and attentive services. We hope to get your satisfaction. Okay, and then it has some links for Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus on there. So looks like they got good customer service on APEMAN. Kind of a cool name actually, APEMAN. Alright, so there's some cardboard there on the top. Nice bubble wrapped here. Okay. Some more stuff in the bag, but right now we're going to check out the camera. I believe this is it. Alright. So here it is. It's not too big. And nice, kind of like an unobtrusive look to it, kind of sleek, kind of like new spacey kind of look to it. You know, the rounded color. It looks pretty cool, I think, as a camera. So it looks like we have on the bottom here some kind of screw attachment. It has little like silicone grips on the bottom, so it's not going to slide around. Has a reset button here in the back, and then also input 5-volt cord. Looks like we got speakers on either side, and it appears that this rotates and also goes up and down. So that looks pretty neat. Let's see what else is in the box here. All right. Oh my goodness. Here we go is the user manual, and wow, I hope this is in multiple languages because this is quite thick. Okay, yes it is. I don't like things that are too complicated. You have lots of different, a super thick manual is kind of intimidating. This basically goes through the setup and everything like that. Okay, so it's not bad for just English. It's 17 pages or 18, so not bad at all. Probably showing you how to do the Wi-Fi setup. Of course, when I do the demonstration and review, I'm going to show you how to do all that stuff. So also we have, looks like little mounting brackets for sheetrock and screws there. All kinds of goodies in here. Another base for that. Okay. In here, looks like we have, oh, if I can open it. These little bags are kind of tricky here. Excuse me. All right. Here is the plug-in. And it's got a nice little grip there. Little indentations on top and bottom, so it's easier to grip. And it's like a USB plug there. All right. Here we have, okay, this is the base for it. I guess if you want to mount this on a wall, that's a cool idea. So if you're not just sitting it on the table or whatever, that's why the screw is in the bottom. Okay, and let's see here. Looks like that unscrews. Okay, so those two screws that came with it, you could put it say your wall is there, put it on the wall, and you can mount your camera. Oops. Mount your camera right there, and then this tightens, and you can, I'm just dropping stuff, adjust it to where you want to. But this screws into the bottom of the camera. In fact, I can just show you here real quick. Right like that. It just screws in there. and then you could mount your camera on the wall and still be able to move it wherever you want to. So just loosen this up. It adjusts to all these different angles here, and it rotates also. So you could pretty much, with that configuration, mount it just about anywhere and have any angle that you want. So that's pretty cool. Nice little wall mount there. And let's see what else we got, my friends. All right, so in here we have, looks like a our USB charge cord for that. And then our plug-in, and then finally just to share your experience card from APEMAN. So definitely looks like a cool thing. I'm going to be doing a setup. I'll show you guys how to hook it up to your Wi-Fi, how to demonstration with the camera, how the video looks and all that, trying to get some picture from the actual camera itself, and do all that when I do the product demonstration and review. So thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends, and we'll see you next time. Everyone have a great day out there, and take care.